Today we are looking at a niche site. This is a passive income niche site example. I'm going to give you the entire niche site uh, with the keywords, and I will share these keywords on my website so you can grab it from there. So before that, let's get started with looking at the example. So this is a very different niche. You have to see if it is allowed or permitted in your country. Somebody had asked me to do keyword research for this particular niche site, which I did not want to do. Just for I have my own reasons for that. But then I am just sharing it online just in case you are in this niche. I don't want to accept money for doing research for such a niche site. So that's why I did not take up the project. Okay. So let's see. This is one. This is the dab rigs. You can Google dab rigs. Dab rigs are these equipments, and people are looking for kits. They are looking for electric versions, silicone versions for girls, girly dab rigs under a particular price range. Okay, and this is one of the top sites for this. If I pull up uh, the sites, you can see that for this is a market share by the traffic share by domains for this particular niche. And let me zoom in a bit so that you can see. So there is the first one is dankstop.com, and it holds around 1100 positions. Then there's the Smoke Cartel, Daily High Club, Hemper, Grass City, Puffing Bird, badassglass.com. You can make a note of this. How this helps is that you can use this to check out your competitor. And how do you do that? Let me show you. See, so this is one of your competitors, right? So what we will do, we will be looking at what is there, how are they monetizing, what are they posting, etc. So first of all, let me just zoom out so you can see the bigger picture. Okay, first of all, we look at the menu structure. Look at what all menu structure they have. They have rigs, vaporizers, CBD, shopping, deals, gifts, a monthly box, right? Then you have they have sorted it out. See, they have sorted it out by the search terms. If you look at the search terms right here, you can see that under 20, under 100, cheap, right? And if you look at their website, it's done very well. If you can see, they're sorting it out by cheap dab rigs, highest price, newest items. This is what people are looking for. I mean, Amazon also does this, so you might be well aware of this. Then they have placed their products so that you can immediately see different varieties: the glass ones, the electric ones, silicone ones, collector versions, wax pens. So you can go to that particular category. They have all the features, product features straight up into the face, big images. And can you see the amount? It's selling for $117, $139. Look at the price points. It is huge. Okay, the commercial intent is huge. So let's dig deep in. So this one I will be posting this onto my site. Okay, so you can get it from there. But look at that. Dab Rings has a total global volume of 52,000 across different countries. Before that, I would like to show you US, UK, Canada, Australia, India. These are your target markets, right? Can you see that? Okay, and the total volume for just that one keyword, dab rigs, is 42k. For this keyword, it is 42k. The traffic potential is 45k. The top ranking is dankstop.com. Okay, and the CPC is 35 cents. We are talking about that particular keyword, that's just dab rigs. You can see that there are various questions which can be answered. People are looking for answers like how much are these worth, where to buy them, how to clean them, etc., etc., because this is a different niche in itself, right? and so you can see that it has a commercial intent, it has a potential. Let's dive right in. You can see here I just pulled up the search volume. There are people are looking for electric dab rings under 50, again sorted by price points, under 100, and what we have to look for is the keyword difficulty. How easy or difficult is it to rank? What is the volume, search volume, and what is a CPC? Why? Because I look for this because I just want to know, CPC. If somebody is willing to pay for a click, it has a commercial intent. If I have AdSense, I can earn income per click, right? I need income in a different variety ways. Passive income is income coming passively and hopefully through different multiple ways. And look at this, okay? This one looks like electric dab rings under $100. Zero. How specific is that? How specific is that? The keyword difficulty zero means this tool is saying that there is absolutely no difficulty for it. Okay, the tool is not a god. You have to use your brains when you pick up the keywords, but I'm just pointing out some interesting keywords. Types of dab rings. Okay, so I'll give you an idea. Okay, you can have a site and you talk about, you should have a mix of informational content and transactional content and commercial intent content. In the informational content, you can pick keywords like these: the types of dab rigs, maybe 5 types of dab rigs, 10 types of dab rigs, okay, or how do you clean a dab rig, things like that. What is why are dab rigs expensive? Okay, like what are dab pen rigs? What are silicone dab rigs? What is the advantage of buying such a thing? These come under information. They are informational. And what happens when you give information? People will trust you. And if you have written the article well, and then go for your recommendation and make a purchase. That is our intent. The intent is that they trust us and they buy through us. And then what we do is that we make sub niches. Sub niches you can make by the type, like electric, non-electric, pen, okay, or you can make it by price: 100, less than 50, less than cheap, expensive. Or you can make it by some characteristic like girly dab rigs, diamond glass dab rigs, okay, so cool dab rigs. This is like a different characteristics, portable. So the people want something for traveling. So can you see the cross between niches? Suppose you have a travel site, you can write a post about portable dab rigs. Okay, it will fit for your travel site also. So try to think of different ideas and see how you can put them together. Then let's look at girly dab rigs. Girly dab rigs, again, just that one keyword has a volume of 600 in US. Okay, Canada it's 40, and I feel there is absolutely very less competition for this. And this is the site which is ranking for that. Okay, it's this website, and just look at them. How are they showcasing them? What products they are featuring? Usually the products towards the top are the best sellers. So you can see it is selling for $244, this starfish shaped one, and then this leather print one is $136. Then go into each product and see how have they written about the product, how have they optimized the product. Look at the URL, look at the first few paragraphs, look at how they have described the product, what are the main features, what are people, get your content ideas from the comments of the people. They say that this is missing, they say that this is good because there is this thing in it, or it has the ability to do this, or it does not have the ability to do that. That is the thing you will be writing in your article. Now let us look at I pulled up a overlap. Okay, so these are different competitors. There is the Dank Stop, there is the Smoke Cartel, Daily High Club, Hemper, and Badass. These are the 5 competitors, and you can see the overlap. You can go into each of these competitors and you can find out which topics I can also focus on, like the weed vape pen, the rosin press. I think it's about somebody. So it is showing you the commercial intent also. The C means commercial intent, I means information, T means a transaction. Okay, so lava lamp, a person is in between. He knows what he is looking for, and he you can convert him, right? That's a and a commercial is a person is he knows absolutely that he's going to buy hookah. He's looking for a hookah. Probably he's going to buy a hookah. Okay, so you can get different ideas, and what you have to do is again you have to research. Say we see best vape pen, and you got a Suvaran air, you got say CBD oil, then you have to research this further and find more topics to write about. For now, I will be only posting these two, the tab rings, the girly tab rings, and you can have a start from there and see, get some ideas. I'll also post these variations from another website, the Tank Stop, and see their keyword difficulty. I'll sort it out by keyword difficulty so you can get easy to rank for keywords. And you want any specific keyword done, not in this niche, I'll do for any other niche, but I'm just saying you can reach out to me.